Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a busy market. Every Saturday, people came to buy and sell things. The market was full of colors, sounds, and smells. There were fruits, vegetables, flowers, and many other goods. In this town lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was 12 years old. She loved the market. Every Saturday, she helped her mother at their fruit stand. They sold fresh apples, oranges, and bananas. Lily's mother was very kind and worked hard. She taught Lily how to talk to customers and how to count money. One sunny Saturday morning, Lily woke up early. She was excited to go to the market. She quickly ate breakfast and got dressed. Today will be a great day, she thought. When they arrived at the market, it was already busy. People were walking around with bags full of food. The sun shone brightly in the sky. Lily set up the stand with her mother. They arranged the fruits neatly on the table. "Look at these beautiful apples," said her mother. "They are red and shiny." Lily smiled and nodded. She loved the apples. As they waited for customers, Lily watched the other stands. There was a man selling flowers. The flowers were bright yellow and pink. Next to him, a woman sold fresh bread. The smell of the bread made Lily feel hungry. Soon, a customer came to their stand. It was an old man with a big smile. "Hello. I would like some apples, please," he said. "Of course," said Lily's mother. "How many do you want?" "I would like 5 apples," said the man. Lily picked 5 apples from the table and put them in a bag. Her mother took the man's money and thanked him. "Good job, Lily," her mother said with a smile. Lily felt happy. She liked helping customers and making them smile. As the day went on, more people came to buy fruits. A young woman bought oranges for her family. A little boy wanted bananas for his breakfast. Lily enjoyed talking to everyone. At noon, it was time for lunch. Lily and her mother sat on a bench to eat sandwiches. They watched the market around them as they ate. "Look at that boy," said Lily's mother, pointing to a boy selling lemonade. He was shouting, "Cold lemonade. Only $1. The boy had many customers because it was hot outside. "I want to sell lemonade too," said Lily excitedly. After lunch, Lily had an idea. "Mom, can I sell lemonade?" she asked. Her mother smiled and said, "Yes. Let's make some lemonade together." They went to buy lemons from another stand. They also bought sugar and ice. When they returned to their stand, they made lemonade together in a big pitcher. Lily set up a small table next to their fruit stand. She put up a sign that said lemonade, $1. Then she waited for customers. Soon, people saw her sign and came over. "I would like some lemonade," said a woman with 2 children. Lily poured lemonade into 3 cups and gave them to the woman. The children smiled as they drank the cold lemonade. "Thank you," said the woman as she paid Lily. Lily felt proud of herself. She loved selling lemonade. More people came to buy it throughout the afternoon. "Your lemonade is delicious," said a man who bought 2 cups. "Thank you," said Lily with a big smile. As the sun began to set, it was time to close the stands. Lily counted her money with her mother. "You did very well today," her mother said proudly. "I sold 10 cups of lemonade," exclaimed Lily happily. "That is amazing. You worked hard," her mother replied. On their way home, Lily felt tired but very happy. She had learned so much about work that day. She learned how to sell fruits and lemonade, how to talk to customers, and how to count money. When they got home, Lily told her father about her day at the market. "I want to sell lemonade every week," she said excitedly. Her father smiled and hugged her tight. "You are becoming a great businesswoman." From that day on, every Saturday became special for Lily at the market. She continued helping her mother with fruits and selling lemonade too. Lily learned that work could be fun when you love what you do and help others along the way. And every Saturday brought new friends and new smiles at their stand in the busy market. And so, every week in that small town, you could see Lily selling fruits and lemonade with joy in her heart,